Needs more water. Needs
What?
more water.
Hello,
Need to
cook.
put water.
Wow, cook. Take water here and then cook it. Take water here slowly and then take water here. Take here what?
We have a mineral water here.
Mineral water. Nah,
This
finish.
is mineral.
Yes, mineral water.
And we have to close it.
Close it like this and then that's hot.
It's still not ready, the vegetable.
No, this steady. This
Oh my
one.
gosh, my son too much talking. I tell you, Ziad.
Oh, oh my god. It's cooking, it's cooking.
Madam, may galab shout out,
Ano,
bro.
ito na, pwede shut out.
Ang ingay ng anak ko.
Ano,
Diyos ko.
ani?
Ziad. I cannot cook nice. You too much talking.
Help me.
Bro, you want carrots?
Yes, carrots. Yes, I need carrots like this. I need
There's so
talking.
much talking. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, I need talking.
Yeah, but I'm cooking. Shout out.
Okay. Finish cook now. And I finish now cook.
Remove your hands. I want to wash the spoon.
Last one. Wash this spoon. Don't make like this. Lose it and then keep water house. And then for which one?
Chop suey, bro.
Hi. Shut it out.
Shout out,
Shut out. And
madam.
then shut out. Let's stream.
Shout out, madam. Say
And then
shout.
shut it out. Shut out.
Madam.
Shut out and then dumb.
Bulol. Oh my goodness. Bulol.
Balloon?
Bulol. You are bulol.
La.
Ang
So,
ingay
kita. Eh.
Ang lakas-lakas ng boses. Ano ba yan? Mas-CPR pa ako nito.
Oh my god.
Ice cream, madam, you want? Ice cream.
Yes, my ice cream.
Maray, tawa ka dyan.
Shut out. And then good.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. And then shut out. Shut out.
Please, yan.
No.
Vegetable. Nalaglag na yung ano. Pang chop suey ko.
Aha. Okay.
Natatawa ako. Gusto mo itlog? Oh, itlog. Noodles. Gusto mo?
Noodles. And then shut out.
Indomie.
Dummy, shut out. My dummy, shut out. Shut it out. Shut that out. Shut that out.
Mag-end na rin ako. Magba-brown out na. Ano ba yan? Hindi cooking, bro. Salamat, madam. Mag-out na rin kasi, magba-brown out na. Ano ba yan? Hindi na matapos-tapos yung brown out. Si Ziad, ha? Ziad. Ang ingay ng anak ko. Kanina pa to. Still not finished my cooking.
No.
So, what I'm cooking? Carrots.
No. I just threw this one. Look at that.
Ziad.
Yes.